Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can get Blue Essence for free in League of Legends. I had created such a video in the past, but as requested by you guys, I need to do an update for 2019. And also in this video I'm going to talk about some tips how you can save Blue Essence when you buy champions, so how you can buy more champions and how to do it faster. So Blue Essence, you can see your balance right here. You can see I have quite a lot of it, and there are several uses for it. So the main one is to buy champions. If we go to the store, and if it would load up, then you can see here it says Ivern, and this is the featured page. But if we go to champions, you can see all of the champions that I don't have, and the usual price of a new champion is 6,300, and you can see older champions are slightly cheaper. And also you can use the Blue Essence to buy rune pages as well. Sometimes also summoner icons. Very rarely, but there can be some new summoner icons released for an event. Okay, so let's get how you can get the Blue Essence, and it's through Hextech Crafting in the loot section. So here actually there is another use for the Blue Essence, and that is to upgrade your masteries on the champions. So if I press here, you can see 2 tokens and 2,450 Blue Essence if you don't have a shard. So how you get the Blue Essence is, first of all, through disenchanting champion shards. So here you can see that if I disenchant, I will get 1,000 Blue Essence. In order to get these shards, there are 3 different ways. So first of all, when you level up, here you can see my level. Riot has made it that there can be unlimited number of levels. When you level up, you get one of these champion capsule. Let's open all 3 of them, and then you will receive champion shards. And then you can get some Blue Essence as well if the champion shards are one of the cheaper ones. Alternatively, you can get champion shards from Hextech chest as well. These will give you either skin shards or champion shards, and you get them when you get rank S while playing. So you can see in the profile how many chests you can get, and they refresh every week. Get S- or higher by yourself or with premade to earn chests. And then you need to be honorable, and you can get some Hextech keys as well to open these chests. Furthermore, another way how you can get Blue Essence is during events. So this is prestige points, but there are some events that run for several weeks, and you collect the special points completing missions. These special points can be exchanged for champion shards as well. In addition, you can also complete the missions for Blue Essence. So there is a daily mission where you get 50 Blue Essence, and also event missions. So the event missions will provide you much more Blue Essence, but the daily mission is more works more as a boost for your experience to level up and then get these champion shard capsules. But if we look here in the completed missions, you can see, for example, here there is a special event mission which gave me 250 blue essence, and if we go more here, another one for 1000 blue essence, 500, and so on. Okay, so I have covered now the main ways how you can get blue essence. Now I will cover how you can save some blue essence when you buy champions. So let me find a champion I don't have. I believe I don't have a Nivea. So if I go to the store, just as a base for comparison, let me find a Nivea. So here is 3150. That's the typical price of it in the store. If I go here and I buy using one of my champion shards, I will upgrade it for 1890. So that's a total minus 1990. So I would be saving 1260 if I bought it this way. And another way how you can save even more blue essence is if you bought it using skin shards. So they are rarer, and therefore you can purchase the champion. For example, Ivern, I would use this skin shard to purchase the champion, and I would get it for free. So it's up to you how you can use the blue essence. You can even get the champions for free if you have some skin shards. Also, I would recommend to use skin shards that are, for example, here you can see there is different skin shards in my loot section. I have this skin shard unlocked. I have re-rolled 3 skin shards and then got a permanent skin shard, but I didn't have the champion. So therefore a skin shard was created like this with a golden border, which means that I should be able to get the skin once I get the champion. So I would recommend, if you want to use this method to gain more champions, I would recommend that you would use these skin shards without the golden border, because they would both acquire the champion for free. But if I would use this one, then I would not be able to get the skin once I get the champion. Alright, so I hope that this was useful to you guys, and I hope that I will see you guys in the next tutorial.